Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring a best opportunity for all of you guys, and this opportunity especially for the abroad study, those who want to study further, and this opportunity available for both master degree and also for PhD, that we call doctoral. So watch this video up to the last minute so that you will not miss the important information, how to apply for this and what are the rules and what are the universities participate on this and what are the benefits of this Olympiad. So now one by one I will tell you the entire information about this. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So now we'll move on to the content. See here, this program is about the Russian Scholarship Project Association that we call Global University and that we call Olympiad. They organize this event each year so that they will attract the foreign student for the study purpose in their university, and also the top university participate on this program, and you don't need to give any entrance examination to participate on this. It is really a best opportunity to study abroad, and this Olympiad is especially for the Russian universities. Here you can get the option to study on English and also in Russian language. So it's totally depend upon your choice. And see here, Open Door Russian Scholarship Project is your chance for early admission to a tuition-free program at one of the leading university in Russia. This program will provide you the tuition-free scholarship and you don't need to pay a single amount for their study. Full scholarship will be available. So what are the other things that are available on this, that I will tell you one by one, and then we will go to the participate option, that means the sign up for this program. See here, these are the latest news, you can read all this. Now first we'll see the what are the subject available for this Olympiad. So first subject is here, biology and biotechnology, in which master and doctoral degree both are available. Second is the computer and data science, in which master degree only available. Third one is mathematics and artificial intelligence, that we call masters and also for doctoral. Next is our business and also for the management, and it's available for master degree. Next one is the politics and international study, available for master degree only. Next is our neuroscience and psychology, is available for master degree. Next is our physical science, is available for master and doctoral degree. Next is our linguistic and modern language, for which the master and doctoral both are available. Next is the chemistry and material science, in which master and doctoral degree both are available. Next is our economics and econometric, only master degree available. Next is our engineering and technology field, only the master degree available. Next is our clinical medicine and public health, in which master and doctoral both degree are available. Next is our earth science, in which the master degree available, and the last one is our education, in which only master degree available. So these are the subject categories which are available for you to participate. If you interested in any one of this domain or field, then you can participate for this Olympiad. So we'll move on to further. See here, what is the schedule? Registration started from the September 15th, see here, 2020, and it is available up to December 10. So September 15 to December 10 is duration in which you can register for this tournament and fill your portfolio, that means your profile, your educational background, your name, date of birth, your country origin, which subject you are applying, that everything is considered under this, that we call portfolio filling. Then December 10 is the last date, see here, deadline for portfolio submission. After that, December 10 to 24, the first round grading of the portfolio. They will grade you on the basis of your portfolio. After that, in December 25, they will announce the first round result. So you will get the result on the first round, that you are eligible for the second round or not. And if you get pass on the first round result, then you have to move further for second round. And that date is January 11 to January 30, 2021. That is the second round. See here, the winner of portfolio competition are welcome to participate in the second round in the selected subject, and the detailed schedule will be published later. They will give you the entire information what we'll do. After that, January 11 to February 9th, they will grade your second round of the competition. So see here, after the grading of your second round, they will announce the result on February 10th. So after the result, appeal process will be start from February 11 to 18. Then after that, February 22, they will announcement of the open door winners, those who win this Olympiad, and the prize winner in the master track. For the master track, they will announce the result. And after that, March 1st to March 19. This is the third round for participants who apply for the doctoral track, that is PhD. Those who apply for PhD only, that third round is there for them. And after that, in March 23rd, there will be the announcement of the open door winner and prize winner in the doctoral track, that we call PhD. So this is the step by step and date to do each activity and get the result. So now I'll tell you that what are the Russian universities participating on this program. What are the name of those university, that I will tell you. See here. First one is the Higher School of Economics. Next is the Tomsk State University. Next ITMO University. Next is our Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology. Next is our Novosibirsk State University. Next is our National Research Nuclear University. Next is our National University of Science and Technology. Next is our Ural Federal University. Next, St. Petersburg Electrotechnical University. Next is our Iskenov First Moscow State Medical University. Next is our Peter the Great St. Petersburg Polytechnic University. Next is our Tomsk Polytechnic University. So this way, these are the universities available. See here. And is our last one is the South Ural State University. So these are the partners. Currently ask question, what does the subject mean and what do I do if I win? You'll get the university. You choose one university or several university that offer the program in this tag, and you will get the tuition free. See here, what language will I study in? After the confirmation of your proficiency in English or Russia, you can study in that language that totally based upon you, that is English or Russian. Next, will I have to pay a tuition fee? Your tuition fee will be paid by the Russian Federation. So you don't need to pay a single amount for the study. See here, can I enroll in any program I want? Yes, you can enroll in any subject that you want to study, and these are the information. And now I'll tell you where is the rules that you need to know. Click on the rules. So here is the PDF. On shortcut, I will tell you what are the rules. First rule is if you want to do a master degree, you have to complete your bachelor, or you're going to complete in this year your bachelor degree. And for the PhD, you need to complete your master degree. Next is you will get the option to study in this university only in English or Russian. So these are the basic rules are available on this PDF. You can go through that and read all these rules regulation for this Olympiad. Now we'll go to the participate option. Click on participate. That is the register option. So it will ask for the sign up as a participant. Choose your language, English or Russian. Then choose your citizenship. Put your country name. Type here and select your country name. After that, put your data, first name, last name, and then your birthday. Select your gender. So put your phone number with country code. See here, specify your phone number in the international format. Next, your email address. Put your email in this. They will send you the registration confirmation request on your email address. After that, create a password for the login option later, and then type the same here, password confirmation. After that, select your subject area. In which subject area you want to study. You have to choose at least one subject, or you can choose more than one also. There is no limitation. Select your subject area. See here, all options are available here. Then click on sign up option. So after clicking on sign up option, they will send you the verification email confirmation link. So go to your email and click on the confirmation link. So now I'll show you how the link they will send. So here's the email. They send you like this: Russian Scholarship Project Association, confirm your registration. from the open doors. Here you receive this email, they will send you like this. This is a confirmation registration. Click on this link and your registration will be confirmed. So after clicking on the confirmation registration link, then only your profile will be active. After that you can go for the login option and fill the other information. So I'll go to the login option, click on the login option, then they will ask you for email and password. So after putting your email and password, go to the login option. The information here, education, select your education, add your education. After clicking on it, they will see here the academic degree, country, academic institution, year of graduation, your thesis topic or your project topic that you can put here, and they will ask you that I have been taught in English, yes or no. Select yes, of course. Then drop your supporting documents is there. You can put your resume also, then click on the save option. So I'll put it later. Go to the back option, then see here the priority universities for admission. Choose from 1 to 6 university organizing the open door for admission in order to priority. So you can add the university here, all the university are here. You can select the university on your preference and add those university. So see here the portfolio option, the submit button will be available in November. Portfolios without a motivational letter and document providing the level of education cannot be submitted. Click on the fill in the portfolio. See here in portfolio they will ask for motivation letter. Put it here. You will get maximum possible score will be 15, and then academic transcript or your record book or diploma supplement materials, everything you can put it here. Then Russian language proficiency, if you have, you can put it here, otherwise no problem. Then you can select also English language proficiency. If you did IELTS or TOEFL, you can put the result here. Then subject area achievement, that you can add it here. After that, see here the maximum possible score. Total point of block of total achievement, you will get 30 marks, and the sum of point for block of achievement by profile, you will get 70 marks. So total point will be 100 marks. On that basis you will get the mark on a portfolio and you will select for the first round. So on that basis it work. In this way you can apply for this Olympiad, and it is really a great opportunity for all of you guys, and please share this to the needed person. So I hope this video will be helpful for all of you guys, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video, and share this video to your friend circle and other groups so that somebody will get benefits from this video. And thank you so much for your love and support for my channel. Thank you so much guys. So we'll meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.